Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the question, what is Superlife Neuron Care, that is the SNC. But before we dive into today's content, I want you to please take a moment to look below this video and click on the red subscribe button to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for subscribing. Superlife Neuron Care, also known as the SNC, is a powerful concoction of lutein and ginkgo biloba, which helps to rejuvenate and revitalize vision and cognitive functions which naturally deteriorates with age. But before we move on, here is some bit of research. The Global Burden of Disease Study (GBD), the ongoing international collaborative project between WHO, the World Bank, and the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, has produced evidence and identified neurological disorders as one of the greatest threats to public health. A clear message emerges that unless immediate action is taken globally, the neurological burden is expected to become an even more serious and unmanageable problem in all countries with the growing percentage of the population over 65 years old. There are several gaps in understanding the issues related to neurological disorders, but we already know enough about their nature and treatment that can shape effective policy responses to some of the most prevalent neurological diseases. Overall, even when some nutritional deficits have been associated with neurological illness, supplements have not been shown to provide the idyllic holistic cure that many patients are searching for. Yet, there are some clinical settings in which nutritional supplementation can play a real and valuable role in the management of a neurological disease. There is an old saying that says, "Prevention is better than cure." In response to the growing threat of neurological diseases, Superlife scientists formulated an ultra-potent combination of natural ingredients based on multiple clinical trials all over the world, the SNC, Superlife Neuron Care, to help aging and degradation of neuron in our body. Superlife World has dug out an ancient art of healing that has been in practice for thousands of years. This healing science incorporates many philosophical systems and the integration of body, mind, and consciousness. The ingredients of Superlife Neuron Care seek to restore the innate intelligence and harmony in a person, especially boosting the neural cells. Correspondingly, it activates the functionality of the brain and the eye. Superlife Neuron Care is a unique product result from decades of research by the Superlife World team of scientists. It contains an array of ingredients extracted from natural sources that are known to affect the performance of the brain. Neural cells present in the brain get rejuvenated by the unique natural components present in Superlife Neuron Care. Thus, the regular use of this epoch-making product helps in improving memory. Superlife Neuron Care also enhances the vision due to the presence of some unique ingredients meticulously searched, tested, and sourced by the highly competent team of scientists. We can see with our eyes with the help of the optic nerve that connects the eye with the brain. The functionality of the neural cells that make up the optic nerve increases by using Superlife Neuron Care. With that, it enhances our visual ability. Superlife Neuron Care also contains unique potions of ingredients based on ancient healing techniques that directly affect the bloodstream, thereby improving blood circulation. Improved blood circulation resulted from reduced oxidative damage of the arteries, which is an outgrowth of the unique ingredients present in Superlife Neuron Care, on neuron, brain, and eyes, the system SNC targets. Superlife Neuron Care has the most positive effect on the nervous system. The nervous system is the center of all mental activities such as thought, learning, senses, and memory. In coordination with the endocrine system, the nervous system helps in regulating and maintaining homeostasis. The nervous system is the communication pathway of the internal system with the outside world. Inputs received from the environment through the nervous system helps the internal body mechanisms to work accordingly. The nervous system is made up of billions of nerve cells, also called neurons. Neurons are called the unit of the nervous system. The brain, the center of the nervous system, has about 100 billion neurons in it. The components of a neuron are the soma, also called the cell body, the axon, dendrites, and synapses. The axon is a long slender projection that conducts electrical impulses away from the cell body. The tree-like structures that receive messages from other neurons are called the dendrites. Synapses are specialized junctions between neurons. Neurons transmit signals in the form of electric impulses from the brain to the body and back. Electrically charged chemicals flow from the first neuron's axon to the second neuron's dendrite, and that signal will then flow from the second neuron's dendrite, down its axon, across a synapse, into a third neuron's dendrites, and so on. The nervous system has two parts. The central nervous system, CNS, includes the brain along with the neurons present in it and the spinal cord. The brain is safely contained within the skull. The vertebral canal of the spine keeps the spinal cord. All the other nerves in the body are part of the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The nervous system can again be classified as voluntary and involuntary. The voluntary nervous system, somatic nervous system, controls all the things that we are aware of and can consciously influence, such as moving our arms, legs, and other parts of the body. The involuntary nervous system, vegetative or autonomic nervous system, regulates those processes in the body that we cannot consciously influence. It is constantly active, regulating physiological processes such as breathing, heartbeat, and metabolic processes. Non-neuron cells, called glia, are also a part of the nervous system. Glia performs many important functions that keep the nervous system working properly. Some functions of the glia are protection for neurons, creation of the insulation called myelin that helps move nerve impulses and regulate neurotransmitters. Sense organs are also an important part of the nervous system. The major sense organs and their respective sense are: skin, for touch; nose, for smell; tongue, for taste; eyes, for sight; ears, for hearing. Ingredients of the SNC. Ingredient number 1. The marigold, the main ingredient of SNC. The premium formula of Superlife Neuron Care is sourced from marigold flowers. Marigold is a well-known garden plant and its flowers have medicinal values. This plant originated from Egypt and is known to be a native of the Mediterranean. Marigold is an annual herbaceous plant with a robust stem. Usually, it blooms during the warmer months of the year in the northern hemisphere. Marigold was first discovered by the Portuguese in Central America in the 16th century. It comes in different colors, yellow and orange being the most common. It also has a pungent odor that keeps insects at bay. The scientific name of the most commonly used medicinal marigold is Calendula officinalis and is also called calendula or pot marigold. Calendula gets its name from the Latin word, calend, which means every month. Marigolds are brightly orange-colored flowers having many impressive health benefits. Calendula genus of marigold is known to have anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and antifungal properties. Saint Hildegard of Bingen was a herbalist and nun in Germany. Historically, she was one of the first to record the use of calendula marigolds. She used calendula over 1,000 years ago to treat patients. Marigolds are used in treating rashes, allergies, eczema, and dermatitis, pain, swelling, and redness caused by muscle cramps, muscular injuries or sprains, eye inflammation, and itchiness caused by conjunctivitis, and fungal infections, including athlete's foot, candida, ear infections, and ringworm. Scientific research has found many active constituents, including various antioxidants and volatile oils in marigold. The bright color and strong smell of marigold are due to the active ingredient present in it. These natural products can repel certain fungi, pests, and insects. The potent ingredients present in marigold have the capability of improving blood flow and controlling inflammation. The active ingredients found in marigolds are plant sterols, also known as calendulin, calendric acid, polysaccharides, linoleic acid, carotenoids, flavonoids, triterpene saponins, such as triterpenoid, tocopherols and olenolic acid glycosides. These are the benefits of using the extracts of marigold flower. 1. Lowering of inflammation. 2. Reduction of free radical damage. 3. Reduction in eye inflammation and conjunctivitis. 4. Presence of natural antiseptic properties. 5. Lowering of skin infection. 6. Boosting of immune system. 7. Reduction of cramps, spasms, and hemorrhoid pains. Ingredient number 2. Lutein and zeaxanthin, the carotenoids of SNC. The yellow marigolds are rich in carotenoids. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two important carotenoids. Two of the vital components of SNC are these carotenoids. Both offer a range of health benefits and are potent antioxidants. These carotenoids have proven eye protection capabilities. Antioxidants are the chemicals that defend our body against unstable molecules called free radicals. Excess free radicals can damage the cells, promote aging and progression of diseases like heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin can lessen free radicals in the body. This, in turn, can retard the aging process, reduce cell damage, and reduce the progression of some diseases. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect the body's proteins, fats, and DNA from stressors and can even help recycle glutathione, another key antioxidant present in the body. Glutathione is a tripeptide, i.e. a very small protein, composed of 3 amino acids, cysteine, glycine, and glutamic acid or glutamate. Often called the master antioxidant, glutathione boosts the utilization and recycling of other antioxidants. Additionally, the antioxidant properties reduce the effects of bad LDL cholesterol, thus decreasing plaque buildup in the arteries and reducing your risk of heart disease. Lutein and zeaxanthin also protect the eyes from free radical damage. The eyes are exposed to both oxygen and light, which, in turn, promote the production of harmful oxygen-free radicals. Lutein and zeaxanthin cancel out these free radicals, so they are no longer able to damage the eye cells. These carotenoids seem to work better together and can combat free radicals more effectively when combined, even at the same concentration. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in concentrated amounts in the macula. They are the only dietary carotenoids that accumulate in the retina, particularly the macula region, so they are known as macular pigments. The macula is located at the back of the eye and it is essential for vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin work as important antioxidants in this area by protecting the eye from harmful free radicals. They also act as a natural sunblock that absorbs excess light energy and protect the eyes from harmful blue light. In age-related macular degeneration, AMD, consumption of lutein and zeaxanthin may protect against AMD progression to blindness. Cataracts are cloudy patches at the front of your eye. Eating foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin may slow their formation. Lutein and zeaxanthin were found to be effective in diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic patients who were supplemented with lutein and zeaxanthin have lesser oxidative stress markers that damage the eyes. The beneficial effects of lutein and zeaxanthin in the skin have been recent findings. Antioxidant effects of lutein and zeaxanthin allow them to protect the skin from the sun's damaging ultraviolet (UV) rays. A 2-week animal study on rats receiving 0.4% lutein and zeaxanthin-enriched diets had less UVB-induced skin inflammation than those who received only 0.04% of these carotenoids. Another study with 46 people from mild to moderate dry skin found those who received 10 mg of lutein and 2 mg of zeaxanthin had significantly improved skin tone, compared to the control group. There appear to be very few side effects associated with lutein and zeaxanthin supplements. A large-scale eye study found no adverse effects of lutein and zeaxanthin supplements over 5 years. The only side effect identified was some skin yellowing that was not considered harmful. Lutein and zeaxanthin have an excellent safety profile. Ingredient number 3. Ginkgo biloba extract, the guardian of the heart in SNC. Ginkgo is known to be one of the oldest living trees, dating back to more than 200 million years. This large tree with fan-shaped leaves is a native to China, Japan, and Korea. It is commonly called a maidenhair plant. While its leaves and seeds are often used in traditional Chinese medicine, modern research primarily focuses on ginkgo extract, which is made from the leaves. Ginkgo supplements are associated with several health claims and uses, most of which focus on brain function and blood circulation. Ginkgo leaf extract is rich in antioxidant content such as flavonoids and terpenoids. Antioxidants combat or neutralize the damaging effects of free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive particles produced due to normal metabolic functions, such as the oxidative breakdown of food or metabolic detoxification. These free radicals have the potential to damage healthy tissues, contributing to accelerated aging and disease development. Inflammation is one of the manifestations of the body's natural response to injury or invasion by a foreign substance. Various components of the immune system are used to fight against the antigen or heal the injured area. The inflammatory response may also be seen in patients with some chronic disorders even when there is no illness or injury present. Over time, this excessive inflammation can cause permanent damage to the body's tissues and DNA. Detailed research shows that ginkgo extract can reduce markers of inflammation in both human and animal cells in a variety of diseases. Ginkgo leaf extract is known to be particularly effective in reducing inflammation for arthritis, irritable bowel disease, IBD, cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Ginkgo is known to increase blood flow to various parts of the body. Various studies have been done to understand the prophylactic properties of ginkgo. In one study, people with heart disease who were supplemented with ginkgo revealed an immediate increase in blood flow to multiple parts of the body. It was found that there was an increase of 12% in the levels of circulating nitric oxide, a compound responsible for dilating blood vessels. Another study conducted on older adults showed similar results, were also treated with ginkgo extract. Additional research also points to ginkgo's protective effects on heart health, brain health, and stroke prevention. There are multiple potential explanations for this, one of which may be the anti-inflammatory compounds present in the plant. Ingredient number 4. Docosahexaenoic acid, the fantastic compound of SNC. Docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA, is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Our body can manufacture only a little amount of DHA. So, it should be taken as a food supplement. DHA and other fatty acids help reduce inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease. On its own, DHA supports brain function and eye health. The majority of studies test DHA and EPA together rather than individually. The few studies that test DHA alone suggest that it may be more effective than EPA for improving several markers of heart health. Of 154 obese adults in one study, daily doses of 2,700 mg of DHA for 10 weeks increased the omega-3 index, a blood marker of omega-3 levels that's linked to a reduced risk of sudden heart-related death, by 5.6%. DHA also decreased blood triglycerides more than EPA, 13.3% versus 11.9%, and increased good HDL cholesterol by 7.6% compared to a slight decrease for EPA. Notably, DHA tends to increase bad LDL cholesterol levels, but mainly the number of large, fluffy LDL particles, which, unlike small, dense LDL particles, are not linked to increased risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fats such as DHA have anti-inflammatory effects. Increasing DHA intake can help balance the excess of inflammatory omega-6 fats that is typical Western diets rich in soybean and corn oil. DHA's anti-inflammatory properties may reduce the risk of chronic age-related autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, which causes joint pain. It is uncertain whether DHA and other omega-3 fats help age-related macular degeneration, AMD, as once thought, but they may improve dry eyes and diabetic eye disease, retinopathy. Besides, 2 recent studies suggest that DHA may decrease contact lens discomfort and glaucoma risk. In one 12-week study of contact lens wearers, 600 mg of DHA and 900 mg of EPA daily improved eye discomfort by 42%, similar to improvements noticed with corticosteroid eye drops. Additionally, 500 mg of DHA and 1000 mg of EPA daily for 3 months reduce eye pressure in healthy people by 8%. Elevated eye pressure is a risk factor for glaucoma, a disease that gradually erodes vision. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for cancer. Higher intake of omega-3 fats such as DHA has been linked to a lower risk of several cancers, including colorectal, pancreatic, breast, and prostate cancer. Additionally, a small number of studies suggest that DHA may improve chemotherapy benefits. DHA is the main omega-3 fat in our brain and essential for a functional nervous system. Studies have shown that people with Alzheimer's disease have lower levels of DHA in their brains than older adults with good brain function. Evidence suggests that DHA and other omega-3 supplements may be most beneficial before brain function significantly declines and interferes with daily activities. Ingredient number 5. Bilberry, the anthocyanin-rich antioxidant of SNC. The botanical name of bilberries is Vaccinium myrtillus. These are small, blueberries that were native of northern Europe. Bilberries were traditionally used as a dye as well as medicines. Like most berries, bilberries are a nutrient-rich fruit whose nutritional profile resembles blueberries. About 148 grams of bilberries offer around 85 calories, 15 grams of naturally occurring sugar, and 4 grams of fiber. Bilberries are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Bilberries are a good source of phenolic acids and anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are the powerful flavonoid antioxidant that helps protect our body against damage and disease. Bilberries are known for the ability to improve vision, particularly night vision. Some studies are conducted to understand these berries' effects on night vision. People with glaucoma, a condition that leads to a gradual loss of sight, were studied for 2 years and was found that taking 120 mg of bilberry anthocyanins daily improved visual function by around 30%, whereas the placebo group experienced worsened visual function. Other studies suggest that supplementing with 160 to 480 mg of powdered bilberry extract daily may reduce eye dryness and other symptoms of eye fatigue, caused by working with video display terminals. Antioxidant anthocyanins, present in blueberries that may reduce markers of inflammation. A 3-week study shows with a supplement containing 300 mg of bilberry anthocyanins daily, people experienced a 38 to 60% reduction in inflammatory markers, compared with a 4 to 6% reduction in the placebo group. A study found that a diet enriched with fresh bilberries increased insulin secretion in adults with metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. Therefore, bilberries may stimulate insulin secretion and prevent the breakdown of carbs in the gut, both of which may help lower blood sugar levels. Bilberries are rich in vitamin K, a vitamin that helps prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. This ingredient helps lower blood pressure, reduce LDL bad cholesterol, increase HDL good cholesterol, thus improving the overall heart health. Ingredient number 6. Spearmint, the sleep promoter of SNC. Spearmint is a plant related to peppermint, has a pleasantly sweet taste, and is an ingredient of toothpaste, mouthwash, chewing gum, and candy. The scientific name of this perennial plant is Mentha spicata. This plant is native to Europe and Asia but presently widely grows on 5 continents around the world. It gets its name from spear-like shaped leaves. Spearmint relieves digestive symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and bloating, mainly due to the presence of the compound, carvone, that inhibit muscle contractions in the digestive tract. In an 8-week randomized study of 32 people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, one group was given a product containing spearmint, lemon balm, and coriander along with loperamide for diarrhea or psyllium for constipation. At the end of the study, people who received the spearmint-containing supplement reported less abdominal pain, discomfort, and bloating compared to those in the placebo group. In another study, spearmint essential oil applied to the skin significantly reduced the incidence of nausea and vomiting compared to a placebo. Hence it is hypothesized that this herb may also relieve nausea and vomiting caused by chemotherapy. Antioxidants help protect against and repair damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can lead to oxidative stress that has been linked to several chronic conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Spearmint contains a large number of antioxidants such as rosmaric acid, flavonoids, and flavonoids like limonene and menthol. Research indicates that spearmint shows excellent antioxidant activity against free radicals. In one study, extract from this herb prevented fat oxidation in meat and was as effective as the synthetic antioxidant BHT. Evidence also suggests that spearmint may help improve memory. Studies have shown that mice given a spearmint extract experienced improved learning and memory based on their performance on a maze test. Spearmint helps promote relaxation and reduce stress. According to one study in rats, a spearmint extract was found to decrease anxiety and improve sleep. The leaves of this plant contain menthol, which has a relaxing, sedative effect on the body. It is believed that spearmint promotes relaxation and alleviates stress by interacting with GABA receptors in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter involved in reducing nerve activity. Ingredient number 7. Saffron, the most costly ingredient of SNC. Saffron is produced from the Crocus sativus flower. The thread-like stigma of the flower is used as a spice that has numerous health benefits. Saffron finds its origin in Greece where it was consumed to enhance libido, boost mood, and improve memory. It contains important antioxidants that protect the eyes against free radical damages and vision loss. It also helps to improve emotional stability and slows down the process of age-related mental impairment. Crocin, crocodin, safranol, and camphorol are the notable antioxidants found in saffron. Crocin and crocodin are carotenoids that give saffron its characteristic red color. Both compounds have antidepressant properties, protect brain cells against progressive damage, improve inflammation, reduce appetite, and aid in weight loss. The distinct taste and aroma of saffron come from another antioxidant, safranol. Safranol acts as a mood elevator, memory booster, and learning ability enhancer. It also protects brain cells against oxidative stress. Camphorol is the antioxidant component of the saffron flower petals. This compound has been linked to health benefits, such as reduced inflammation, anti-cancer properties, and antidepressant activity. Studies have established that taking 30 mg of saffron daily gave a similar effect as fluoxetine, imipramine, and citalopram, conventional treatments for depression. Additionally, side effects were minimal with saffron compared to other treatments. Both the petals and stigma of saffron appear to be effective against mild to moderate depression. Ingredient number 8. Concord grapes, chronological aging controller in SNC. Concord grapes help to maintain a healthy central nervous system by cleaning the potentially harmful substances in the body. Concord grapes have a deep bluish-purple hue and are packed with nutrients. It is also particularly high in flavonoid antioxidants and the phenolic compound resveratrol, which are both powerful plant compounds that offer anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and heart health benefits. Total antioxidant capacity (TAC) is significantly higher in Concord grapes. Concord grapes are known to act as the booster of the immune system. A study indicates an increase in beneficial immune cell counts and blood antioxidant levels in people having Concord grapes compared with placebo groups. Now, if this video has been of much help to you, please hit the like button to like this video and don't forget to share the video with your friends and loved ones. Again, if you are not a subscriber yet, kindly hit the red subscribe button under the video to subscribe and turn the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our future videos. Finally, let me be quick to add that, if you have any concern about Superlife or any of our products, kindly leave it in the comment section and be sure that we will respond to it with urgency, or better still, if you want to contact us directly, just look in the description section of this video, you will see our contact detail there, pick any of them and you will be directly in touch with us. Thank you and see you in our next video.